So did you know about the AVEVA Integration Studio? Basically, it's designed to facilitate the project lifecycle to enable you to take your application and infrastructure that you have on-premise and replicate it on the cloud, to be able to more accurately depict a sandbox environment of your production. It could be replicated multiple times. You can set up a template that you have, and you can instantiate virtual machines based on this template. You can make changes that you can get rid of later on and make upgrades and see how the system behaves before you actually implement those changes on your production environment. Not many people know that any development license actually gives customers access to cloud development, which is Integration Studio. If you need any more information about this specific point, please also reach out to us, and our sales representatives will explain this into more details. And then also Integration Studio allows you to collaboratively develop your application in the cloud amongst internal and external team members. This is very useful for SIs specifically. It consumes credits on number of active running machines, and it can create templates. You can create templates, make snapshots of instances, and enable automatic shutdowns to preserve credits, basically. I think we have a 15 or 16 minutes video on our YouTube channel that talks about Integration Studios in more details. Will be posted in our post-event page once this event is over.